Hello everyone, welcome to this new video where we are going to go through maximum length of a concatenated string with unique characters. So basically you have as input an array of integer, an array of string, and you're supposed to concatenate string that has unique character in such a way that the result will still have unique character, and you're supposed to return now the length, the longest string you can have. Let us say I have this input. If I concatenate the first one with the second one with the third one, it will fail the condition because we have u here and we also have u here, so we cannot concatenate this and this. But we can concatenate this and this because they have unique character. There's no overlapping. You can concatenate this and this. There is no overlapping. So this will actually return you 4 because the maximum you can have is either this or this. Now, given that, how are we going to solve it? What will be our approach of solving this problem? So for us to solve this, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have all the solution, and at the end I'm going to return the maximum amount of the solution. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to keep it simple. So let's say I have this array. Is the array that we were having previously here. So initially I will have my array of solution that is here. So now I will loop through all of the elements. I will start by this one. So looping through this will be like this. I will say, okay, I will take this one and I will loop through all the solution in here in my array of solution. There is no one, so the looping will be actually doing nothing. And then, so this is my iteration 1. Now at the end of looping, since there's nothing to loop, I will check if this one is actually like an array with no duplication. I will add it to my solution. So at the end I will have this in my solution array at the end of the first loop. Now I'm going now to the second loop. The second loop now will be, okay, I'm taking this, I'm going to check concatenating those two elements will give me unique element. In this case is yes, so I will leave this one that was there, and then I will add now this one, the concatenation. Now is the only element, so I will stop there, and at the end I will add this. I will check if this one is actually a valid element with no concatenation, then I will add it. Nice. So at the end of the 2, this is how my array will look like. And then at the end of the 3, what will it look like? So I'm going to look through all of the elements. Concatenating this one and this one will actually give me a valid solution no, so there is no concatenation to do here. But this one will still remain, so it will still remain with this, like this. So the array will still be like this. Now I'm just trying to increase my array by looping through all of these elements. Will this one and this one give a solution? No. Will this one and this one give a solution? No. Will this one and this one give a solution? Yes. So this is actually the solution that I'm going to add. And at the end I'll just give this. You see? So at the end of my third iteration, this is how my array will look like. So now once I have this, the next thing to do is now to loop through all of the elements and find out which is the one with the maximum size. This one will give me 2, a valid concatenation. This one will give me 4. This one will give me 2. This one will give me 4. And this one will give me 2. So I'm going to end up returning this one. So this is my solution. So this is my approach of solving this. So now how will this one look into code? Into code it will just look like this. I'm going to have my array of solution that I said previously. I'm going to look through all of my solution, all of the element in the array like I was saying. And for each of the element, initially I need to take the size of the solution because I'm going to append element in the solution. And I don't want to check the element that I'm appending during this iteration. That's why I'm taking the n first solution and I'm going to loop through them. What I'm saying is that I'm taking the n first solution like this and I'm going to loop through all them and add element at the end. I don't want to make a check on element that I'm adding at the current position. So that is why I'm taking the n first and I'm looping from 1 till n. After looping from 1 to n for each of the element, I'm taking like the concatenation. I'm checking the function has duplicate. It's just a bool function that I wrote here, which is checking if a given string has duplicate. If it has no duplicate, then I just push the element to my array of solution, and at the end I'm checking if my solution, if my element has no duplicate, and I push it back also to my array of solution. It's important to check here because it can happen that the input is an element with duplication and then you're not supposed to consider it. So yeah, at the end I just need to make the loop that I did here, this loop, to check if the element, to check the element with the maximum size, and then I return the maximum. So let us submit and see. Yeah, you can see that it is working pretty well. So this is my approach of solving this. I hope you do enjoy it. Feel free to leave me any input. I'll be really happy to interact with you regarding this. See you on the next video. Ciao.